If you're looking for a low-cost, effective way to clean your chimney, you may be in the market for a creosote sweeping log. But do these chimney cleaning logs actually work? In this video, we'll be discussing chimney cleaning fire logs and their effectiveness when it comes to cleaning the inside of your chimney. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the Alpha and Omega YouTube channel for more chimney, fireplace, and dryer vent-related content. If you find this video helpful, be sure to click the like button and leave us a comment below. Creosote sweeping logs, otherwise known as chimney cleaning logs, are advertised to reduce creosote buildup inside of your chimney significantly. These logs release chemicals that cause creosote inside your chimney to dry up and flake during frequent usage. While these logs can be a cost-effective solution for preserving the cleanliness of your chimney, it's important to know that these logs are not a substitute for hiring a professional chimney sweep. When creosote dries and flakes inside your chimney, many of the creosote particles may fall and end up in other hard-to-reach areas of your chimney or fireplace. Small nooks, cracks, and your flue are just a few areas to consider. This means that these logs don't necessarily eliminate creosote buildup. They may just relocate the dangerous creosote particles, which are considered a huge fire hazard. This is why it's still important to schedule a professional chimney sweep and inspection on an annual basis. A professional chimney sweep has the necessary tools and experience to clean the hard-to-reach areas inside of your chimney and fireplace. By hiring a professional, you're ensuring your chimney and fireplace is being cleaned with strong attention to detail and is meeting the necessary safety standards to protect you and your family. In short, spending the money on creosote sweeping logs is a smart and cost-effective solution for preserving the cleanliness of your chimney. However, you shouldn't rely upon these logs as your only solution. They are no substitute for the skills and tools provided by a professional chimney sweep. Now that you know more about the effectiveness of chimney cleaning logs, it's time to schedule your appointment with Alpha and Omega today. Alpha and Omega is Michigan's #1 chimney, fireplace, and dryer vent service provider, having served homeowners since 1997. Our team of industry-leading professionals are here to help you preserve the health and safety of your home by providing you with the services you need to keep your fire burning, keep your fireplace looking amazing, and most importantly, keep your home operating safely and efficiently. Call or click today to schedule your appointment with Alpha and Omega. Stay tuned for more Alpha and Omega content, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.